welcome back to my channel. I'm appreciating your support again. I know you are very busy, so I'm not keep much of your time. Alright, so please like the video, subscribe if you don't subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Alright, so drop a video, because I'm telling you every day, saying my channel is not like a lot of channel where me realize get millions of views, because me not really I deal with the serious mix up, me not in the entertainment thing, the vibes cartel, the bounty. Me not really deal with that. Understand? My channel is about me and my passengers. And me know me not get whole heap of views, but whosoever view my channel and share it, I appreciate. As sometimes I ask my passengers them if we can use them content in my video. I appreciate that, because they are the ones that is helping me along with you, my viewers and my subscribers. Alright, so thanks. Alright, so me there I go and clean the place, give it a proper facelift. So stay tuned, don't go away. Alright, yeah man. So what you say, viewers, subscribers, tell me what you think about my tiling. Alright, trade the tiling break a specific way, so I couldn't get to do it how I want to do it. Alright, but it turned out really good. So leave your comment. Alright, tell me what you think. And as I'm telling you, this trade that I learned from the tile master. Brilliant youth. I'm gonna tell you right now, at the Art Academy, them are beg the young youths them to come and learn a trade, because once you have a trade, you will always have a work. Money will always come in. Yeah man, so look on before and now after. Alright.
Hey, please subscribe to Rubber channel. Please subscribe to Rubber channel.